Y'all really don't know how to put seatbelts on that thing, do you?
No. Okay.
Oh, Sidney found out.
Oh, no. Okay, this thing's too hot. Come on. So, middle stop. This part needs to go.
Oh, hey there, Win.
Okay. Are you fiddling?
Yeah, this is a charitable moment.
This is hard! This dude needs to
This could keep you entertained for a long time.
Very.
I've almost got it.
I got it.
I don't think that's how it looks, but
Yeah, but
it all fell
pretty
apart.
skinny.
Fell apart. Sidney, fell apart.
This is crap. Maybe if you do this.
Ha!
It's gonna fall apart, trust me. How'd you do that?
Shayla, it came apart.
I told you it'd come apart.
Stop, Sidney!
What?
Shayla, do that again. Wait. Here.
Okay, now this thing better not come apart. Did it come
Be like,
apart?
shut up, Sidney.
It hasn't came apart yet. Yes, it is. Okay, this is gonna drive me nuts. Paul!
Paul.
Come to the
Shayla, you look creepy.
How do you know I'm looking at you?
I don't know. Are you looking at me?
I think I figured it out. I know you did this.
That's like a new house to kill people in. Like the scream mask, that could be the...
Motorcycle mask dude.
Motorcycle man. I can see your mouth. I can see your eyes, you're looking at me.
How can you see my eyes?
I can see them. I see like your little black eyelashes and I see your blue eyes. I don't see them now.
Okay, ready? How do you turn? Oh, there's the key.
No, hey!
Right. So he's just like...
It hasn't came undone yet. No!
Sidney, put your thing down.
Oh wow, that scares me.
Oh, I'm
Alright,
crying.
let's see the video.